Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Viewers, today we are talking about how to create seller account at visitudhampur.com. For this you need to open visitudhampur.com, scroll down and at last you will find vendor registration. Click on that. Now input the basic required details. Choose shop URL wisely. After registration, click on sign in the top right corner, input your credentials and click on sign in. Now you can see a small drop down button, click on it. Then click on dashboard. It will take you to this page. Now scroll down a little and click on dashboard menu. Then click on dock and dashboard. Depending upon your screen size, you may need to click on 3 bars button. Now click on products. Then after add new product. Input the basic details and click on create product. If your product is downloadable, click on checkbox or else leave it blank. Software etc. are downloadable products. You can also manage stock. Please do click on allow only one quantity and at last save. This will save your product. If your product has variations, such as your product have different colors or the price of the product vary with respect to the size or any other variation, kindly WhatsApp